Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through replacing a section of damaged hardwood. Not the whole job, but the teaser version, enough that you can decide whether this is a couple of bad boards on a Saturday or whether you're looking at a full floor refinish. Here's the scene: a pet stain soaked through, the dishwasher leaked, and two boards buckled. Somebody dropped a steel tool and gouged a board right through the wear layer. A refinish sand will not save it. You need to replace the bad boards, not the whole floor. Before you buy anything, confirm the scope. Surface scratches or light watermarks, refinish instead. Buckled, deeply gouged, urine stained, or burned past the surface, that's a replace job. The hardest part is not the cut, it's the match. Hardwood color matching is where this job lives or dies. Bring a sample to a flooring store and accept that close, plus feathering is usually as good as it gets. Now, here's what the job actually looks like. You score the ends and sides of the bad board with a utility knife so the finish on the surrounding boards doesn't chip. You set your circular saw depth to exactly the hardwood thickness, 3/4 inch typical, so you do not cut into the subfloor. You make 2 rip cuts down the middle of the bad board. You split the middle piece out with a sharp chisel, then you work the side pieces free, with masking tape and cardboard protecting the adjacent boards. Now the new board will not just drop in because the tongue and groove has you locked out. So on the replacement, you trim the bottom half of the tongue on one edge and the lower wall of the groove on the other. Now it drops in from above. Glue on every mating surface. Face nail through the top. Fill the holes later. Weight it with a stack of books for 12 hours while the glue sets. Then you sand the new board, flush with an orbital 80, 120, 220, and you feather 3 inches into the surrounding floor. Stain to match, test on scrap first, then polyurethane to match the sheen of the rest of the floor. The mistakes that double this job: setting the saw too deep and cutting the subfloor, skipping the tape and the cardboard and chipping the neighbor boards, trying to drop in a full profile board without modifying the tongue, skipping the stain test on scrap, and rushing the glue cure before you sand. And one more thing: if the subfloor under those buckled boards is soft, black, or spongy, stop. That is a moisture problem, and I would chase it down before I put fresh wood back. Fresh boards over a wet subfloor will buckle on you in a month. For the full cut sequence, the tongue modification, the stain match procedure, and the feathering technique, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.